Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5th mathematics. Today we will going to solve the worksheet number 3 of fraction. Now we have in worksheet 3 is a concept of ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. So in this chapter we have set of fractions are given and we will arrange the set of fractions in ascending order. In question number 1, I have a question is there 5.2, 1/6, 3.4, 3/8. Now look at this set of fraction. These are unlike fraction, right? These are unlike fraction. Why they are unlike? Because their denominators are not same, they are different. Now to arrange them in ascending order, what will we have to do first? That is, we will change these unlike fractions into like fraction. Okay, so to change them into like fraction, what will we have to do? We will take the LCM. Okay, so LCM of, so we will take the LCM of 2, 6, 4 and 8. 2, 6, 4 and 8. So what will be the LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 8? Just draw the margin line and we will find the LCM by 2, 6, 4 and 8. These are not minus signs, right? Remember it is a dash, or you can use comma here. Instead of this dash, you can also use the comma here. Now we will divide these numbers by prime numbers. Now by which prime number 2, 6, 4 and 8 is divisible? That is 2, right? When we divide this 2 by 2, we will get 1. Now this 6, when divided by this 2, we divide by this 2, we will get 2, 3 are the 6. Then this 4, when we divide by this 2, we will get 2, 2 are the 4. Now after that 8, when this 8 is divided by 2, we will get 4. Okay. After that again we have 1, 3, 2, 4, right? So again this 2 and 4, 3 not divisible by 2, but 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So we will divide it again by prime numbers. 2, 1 remains 1, 3, this 3 is not divisible by 2. So you will write as it is, right? 3, now dash, then this 2 divided by 2, you will get 1, dash, then this 4 divided by 2, you will get 2. Now here I have 1, 3, 1, 2. Now again if I divide it by 2, 1 is remains there, 3, this is not divisible by 2, so we will write as it is. Now 1 remains 1, then dash, 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. So at last we have 1, 3, 1, 1 is left. Now next prime number is 3 is there. So this 3 is divisible by 3. You will get 1, 1 in the last. So what will be the LCM of 2, 6, 4 and 8? You will 2 have 2, then 2 multiply by 2, then we again another 2 is there, multiply 2, then last 3, no, multiply it, 2, 2 are 4, 2 are the 8, 3 are the 24. That is the LCM of 2, 6, 4 and 8 is 24. Now take the first fraction 5/2. take the first fraction 5 upon 2. Okay, so write down 5 upon 2, you make a single line there, 2. Okay, like this way. Now just write the table of 2. In the table of 2, when the 24 will come. Okay, or the both way you can say that divide 24 by 2 और डिसाइड द टेबल ऑफ 2. आप 24 को 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो इससे, तो भी आंसर निकलेगा. अगर आपको नहीं करना ऐसे तो आप यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई डिसाइड द टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 के टेबल में ये 24 व्हेन इट विल कम. ओके, सो 2 12 आर द 24. 2 12 आर द 24. सो मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर by the same 12. Okay, if you multiplying the denominator by 12, then you have to also multiply the numerator by 12. Now equal to, right? Some students sometimes they write like 5.2 multiply by 12 multiply 12, then they put 2 equal to this is not right, this is wrong. Okay, now one single equal to you will have to put there. Now multiply it. 5 12 are the 60 divided by 2 12 are the 24. Now take the next fraction 1 upon 6. Now again do the same procedure. In the table of 6, when this 24 will come, if you recite the table of 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 are the 24, 6 4 are the 24, you will again multiply the same the numerator by the same number or a common number. Then 4 upon 24 you will get. Now next fraction 3 upon 4, right? So 3 upon 4 again. Now what you will have to do? You will recite the table of 4. In the table of 4, when the 24 will come, 4 6 are the 24. So you will multiply it. 3 6 are the 18, 4 6 are the 24. Now take the next fraction 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. Right? Now recite the table of 8. Recite the table of 8. 8 3 are the 24. 8 3 are the 24. So you will get 9 upon 24. Now look at these fractions, right? These are now like fractions. Now arrange them. So you have to write down the ascending order. So ascending order means smaller to greater, right? So above these like fractions, which one is the smaller one, right? Denominators are same. So which one is smaller? 4. So you will write the 4 upon 24. It is less than. You will put the sign of less than because smaller to greater. Is it less than? After that 9 by 12 24. ठीक, less than. After that we have 18 by 24. Then less than 60 upon 24. Right? 4 upon 24, it is 4 is less than 9, 9 is less than 18, 18 is less than 60. So therefore you can say that your ascending order will be then 4 upon 24, whose fraction this one? 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 is less than, next is 3 upon 8 is less than, then 3 upon 4 is less than, 5 upon 2. So this is the ascending order that you can arrange after arranging the fraction. After arranging the fraction, this is the ascending order. In this way you can arrange the fractions in ascending as well as in descending order. I hope you understood the concept, and now you will try to solve the sum yourself, right? For your convenience, I am going to solve one more question. Now if I have question number 1 is there and it's a part D, I have is there 1 whole 1 by 2, 11 upon 6, 3 whole 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 3. So here now we have the mixed number is there, right? So if the mixed number is there, then change into improper fraction. It's a 3 upon 2, then 11 upon 6, then 5 3 12, 5 3 15 plus 2 17 upon 5, then 7 upon 3. Now after that, these are the set of unlike fractions. So you will take the LCM. Why? Because we have to change them into like fraction 2, 6, 5 and 3. So LCM of 2, 6, 5 and 3, you will find it here in the rough margin line. Draw the margin line. 2, 6, 5 and 3. Firstly you will divide it by 2, 3, then 5, then 3. You will divide it by 3, 5, 5, then 5, 1, 1, 1. So your LCM will be 2, 3 are the 6, 5 are the 30 is the LCM. Now take the first fraction 3 upon 2, right? You will solve the sum, rest of sum as we solved in question number 1. Now 3 upon 2, now recite the table of 2, when 30 will come 15, so 45 upon 30. Next 11 upon 6 you will take, 11 upon 6 you will multiply it by 5, 6 5 are the 30. So 11 5 are 55 upon 30. Next is 17 upon 5. So 17 5. Now 5 6 are the 30. So multiply it by 6. 102 upon 30. Next one is 7 upon 3. 7. 10 are the 3 10 are 30. So 70 upon 30. So in this way you have converted the unlike fraction to like fraction. Now these are the like fraction. Now look at this one. Which one is the smaller one? 45 upon 30, it is less than. Another is 55 upon 30, it is less than. Next is 70 upon 30, less than. 102 upon 30. Therefore you can write 45 3 upon 2. Either you can write 3 upon 2 or 1 whole 1 by 2. It is your choice. 3 upon 2 is less than. 11 upon 6 is less than. 7 upon 3 is less than. 17 upon 5. Right? So this is the ascending order. In this way you can now solve the question 1 and 2, right, or worksheet 3. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.